Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you Ryanair hand luggage here. By Puzzler. This here is the 40x30x20 backpack. It is possible to get directly into your airplane by using this Eurowings hand luggage backpack. It's an airplane travel backpack for man and for woman. And it's also designed for a 14 inches laptop with USB charging port. This is a nice travel bag for all people. It is also on the market for Air France and EasyJet too. Why? Ryanair and Eurowings is for the luggage bag. There are the maximum dimensions of 40x30x20 centimeter. Ryanair comes where, and Eurowings comes with that. That means there are the possibility of 24 liters of capacity. The Ryanair carry-on bag measures 40x30x20 centimeters. This complies with Ryanair's hand luggage requirements. With a size of 40x30x20 centimeters and a capacity of 24 liters, we can easily store luggage in the luggage compartment, above us and under the seat in an airplane. This Ryanair backpack is suitable for the most major airlines. Not only Ryanair, you can go with that, of course. This is a carry-on luggage with the size of 40x30x20 centimeters. It is compatible with Wizz Air, Eurowings, Vueling, and a lot of others airplanes which are traveling around the world. Lots of space and lots of compartments on there. This hand luggage offers plenty of space for all the essential travel utensils. A large main compartment with zipper and a compression strap provide a space for our cloth and other everyday necessities. The front zippered compartment with the various organized sections for our small items, and a separate laptop compartment, a mesh pocket on the side, a zipper pocket on the back for valuables. And we have a wide compartment and a separate padded laptop compartment and a trolley sleeve design. These Ryanair cabin bags, 40x30x20 centimeters, have a special wet compartment for wet towels or for toiletries. A separate padded laptop compartment is suitable for 13 or 14-inch laptops or tablets. A luggage strap on the back allows this travel backpack to be attached to a luggage and can be pushed over the upright handle tube of the luggage for easy carrying too. And the big thing is the USB charging port, an anti-theft bib bag. It's a pocket adjustable chest strappers. The hand luggage backpack with integrated charging cable provides a convenient way to charge your phone and other electricity devices while walking. Of course, you will need an additional power storage, like a power bank or something else. With a hidden anti-theft bag on the back, we can protect our valuables from thieves. Design a fixed chest buckle to reduce the weight of the load and make our trip more comfortable. And with a durable and comfortable design, it's made of high-density, lightweight and durable water-repellent polyester materials with waterproof zippers. It is very robust. The comfortable bag designed with ventilations and breathable mesh fabric as well. All this thick and soft multi-parts. Ventilated foam padding offers us a maximum bag support. And a wide, breathable and adjustable shoulder straps will leave our shoulders. A robust handle with a foam padding ensures a long wearing possibilities on long flights, for example. But of course, you can make short flights with that, or you can use it not in an airplane, because you can use it every day. This here is a really cool backpack for you and all your adventures which you are going to have with such a nice luggage bag. Maybe you go to an airplane, and if you are checking to Ryanair, for example, or Eurowings, it will directly possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. So